Hello everyone. Today we are going to start the chapter Sources of Food. You have been learning this topic from class 2nd and 3rd standard. You know the importance of food in our life. So in the chapter we'll be learning about the different terms related with it, as well as we'll be talking about the sources of the food, that this food which we eat, where does it come from? Isn't it? Let's see. So what is food? Food is a substance that is consumed for maintaining our life. Food is the fuel of life. Without food, living organism cannot survive. So it is important for us to know where our food actually comes from. But before that, we must be knowing the importance of food. You know that with the food, we get the energy. So this is the basic need of our life. We need food because food gives us energy. Food we eat gives our body essential nutrients to help us to grow. Food helps to heal when we are injured or we are ill. Thus, food keeps us healthy and provides us essential nutrients and protect us from infectious diseases. It is one of the most important needs of the living organism. Without this, it is not possible for living organism to survive. So all the body functions, the complete mechanism of the body, all the activities performed by the living organism depends on the food they eat, because this is only helping our cells to perform their functions. It is one of the most important factor, isn't it? So let's see in the next slide. Yes, as we discussed the importance of food, but when we see that the kind of food that we often depends on where we live. People in South India usually eat more rice, while people in North India eat more wheat. Some food are available only during certain months. Some food can be eaten raw like fruits and vegetables, isn't it? So what is the thing that the varieties are found, and depending on the place where we live, because at a specific place the specific type of food is grown and they are mostly dependent on that kind of food. The people in South India usually eat more rice, while people in North India eat more wheat. Some may be available during certain months as per the seasons, the food availability is there, and some food can be eaten as raw like fruits and vegetables. A specific term is used, that is ingredients. Ingredients are the materials required to prepare the dish we consume as food. If you have seen the chips packet, so it is mentioned over there ingredients, that what different ingredients are there, what materials are there which has made these chips, isn't it? So they are mentioning the nutrients also, they are mentioning the ingredients also. So ingredients are the materials required to prepare the dish. For example, if you want to prepare a vegetable curry, we need different kinds of vegetables, salt, spices, oil. So all these are different ingredients that are vegetables, salt, spices, oil. These are the different ingredients. Means these are the materials required for making the vegetable curry. This is a specific term used in the food, that is ingredients. Okay. So as we discussed in the previous slide, that people in various states is different food items. Different people eat different food items as per the food grown in their states. The method of cooking also vary from region to region. This is because of various types of food, grains, vegetables, and fruits grown in different regions. Okay, so this is the specific region that in particular place the particular type of food is grown. Yeah, so the farmers at a particular place, they are growing different types of crops, and its availability in that particular region or state makes it as a staple food. Makes it as a staple food means they are mostly dependent on that kind of food. So we can say that variety of food is there. Here is a picture shown that in a plate when chapatis are there, the rice is there, the pulse is there, and means the different types of food varieties are present in one plate. So we depend on it, and we need each and every type of the food material because every food material provides certain nutrients to us which can help us to grow, to develop, as well as to repair our body organs if any kind of damage is found, isn't it? So food is very essential, and every food material is very important. If you are going to depend on one kind of food, then it will be a problem for the body, isn't it? So we should be having all type of food material in our diet. So here it is shown the variety of food are available, and as per the growth of the crops in particular region or states, the people in various states eat different food items. Okay, so what is the conclusion? That there are variety of foods, the different types of food materials are grown, and we have a number of food items. So as we discussed that food is one of the important resource. Food is very basic need for every living organism to survive. But the question arises that where does it come from? So that is termed as source. What is the source of food? So you know that basically if we see, the plants and animals are the two main sources of food for us. The ingredients like fruits, vegetables, cereals like wheat, rice, etc. come from plants. And food items like milk, egg, mutton, chicken, fish, prawns, shrimps, and many others are the animal products. Thus, it has seen plants and animals both are the sources of food. Okay, but basically, if we see that most of the people are dependent on the plant products, so mainly the plant is the major source of the food. Plant is considered as a major source because many of us are depend on the plant products, and this is utilizing the ultimate source of energy for preparation of food by the process called photosynthesis. Animals are also dependent on the plants for their survival, but as a source of food, animals also provide the number of food items like milk, egg, chicken, fish, all these different products we also get from the animals. So both sources of food, that is plants and animals, both are the main sources of food for us. Fine. Today we have discussed the introductory part of the chapter, and we'll be meeting in our next video with some another topic of this chapter. Till that, goodbye.